Hi everyone, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. In this video, we'll be looking at solving simultaneous equations using elimination method. And we have these questions before. Solve the following simultaneous equations using elimination method. Number 1, number 2, and then number 3. So if you are new to this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for a solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate the channel again. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Solution. In number 1, we have the equation 5a minus 2b is equal to 19, and 3b minus 4a is equal to minus 18. Now, since we are using the elimination method, since we are using the elimination method, 5a, the a and a must rhyme together. So I'm going to move this a now. Minus 4a will come over here, and then 3b will go inside so that the letters will rhyme together because we are using the elimination method. And this is equation 1, equation 2, and then 5a minus 2b is equal to 19, and then this one now will come to the other side, that is minus 4a plus 3b is equal to minus 18. Let's say this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Since we've changed this, we're going to differentiate them using these equations. So our next step is so what I'm going to do here now is I will multiply equation 3. This equation 3 now, I will multiply it by this number that is with equation 4, coefficient of a, and then multiply equation 4 by the coefficient of a in equation 3. So that will be, let me write this out again. I'll have 5a minus 2b is equal to 19, and minus 4a plus 3b is equal to minus 18. Now I'm going to multiply this side using this number here because I'm eliminating a. By using elimination method, I'm eliminating a. So I'm going to use this 4 now. Write it here. I'll use it to multiply all the numbers here, and then bring 5 to this side. 5. Now bring 5 to this side. Now 4 times 5a, that will give me 20a. That will give me 20a. 4 times minus 2b, that will give me minus 8b is equal to 4 times 19, that will give me 76. And then this side, 5 times minus 4a, that will give me minus 20a. 5 times 3b, that will give me 15b. 15b is equal to 5 times minus 18, that will give me minus 90. Minus 90. Then so I'll continue from here. With this now, I'll continue from here. What I'm going to do now is this 20a minus 8, 20a minus 8b is equal to 76, and minus 20a plus 15b is equal to minus 90. So let me say this is equation 5 and this is equation 6. So what I'll be doing here is that I'll add equation 5 and 6 together. I'm going to add them. So if I do 20a plus minus 20a, that will give me 0. It means that a has been out of the game. That is the meaning of elimination. A is out. 20a is 20a minus 20a plus minus 20a. It will become 0. Now minus 8b plus 15b, that is equal to 7b. That's equal to 7b. Then put an equal to sign, and then 76 plus minus 90. 76 plus minus 90, that will give me minus 14. So now from this place, plus 8b plus minus 8b plus 15b, that is 7b. 76 plus minus 90, that is 14b. So the next step now is to divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. That is 7b is equal to minus 14. Equal to minus 14. Now divide both sides by 7. 7 will cancel out 7. Minus 14 divided by 7. B is equal to minus 2. So the value of B is equal to minus 2. Now this B now, I'm going to substitute it into any of these equations. Let's say equation 1. Okay, in this equation 1, 5a minus 2b is equal to 19. Then 5a minus 2 open bracket, b now is minus 2. Minus 2 equal to 19. Is equal to 19. Then 5a now minus 2 times minus 2, that is plus 4. That is plus 4 is equal to 19. Now 5a is equal to 19 and plus 4 will cross over, turn to minus 4. Then 5a is equal to 19 minus 4, that is 15. That is 15. Okay, let me create another space here. So I'll continue from here. 5a is equal to 15. Now we're going to divide both sides by 5 over 5 over 5. Now 5 cancel out 5. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So a is equal to 3. So for the equation in number 1, we have that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 2. So these are the two solutions to this simultaneous equation. Now for the number 2, we have the equation x over 2 minus y over 5 is equal to 1. And the second equation is y minus x over 3 is equal to 8. Equation 1 and equation 2. So you will notice here that this one is in fractional form. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. The denominator in this side is 2 and 5, and the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So we are going to multiply each of these numbers by 10. The same way for this side, the denominator is 3. So we'll be multiplying that number by 3. Okay, for the first one, the LCM is 10. So we have 10 times x over 2 minus 10 times y over 5 is equal to 10 times 1. 10 times 1. So this particular one now, here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5 here, 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2. 10 times 1 is 3 times 2 here, 5 times x, that is 5x minus 2 times y, 2y is equal to 10 times 1, 10. And then for this one, this is equation 1, and this one. Okay, let's turn this on to equation 3, since we have changed this from this form to this form now. Equation 3, and this one now we have y minus 10 times y minus, this one we are not using 10, we are using the denominator, which is 3. So 3 times y minus 3 times, what am I doing, self? 3 times y minus 3 times x minus 3 times x over 3 is equal to 8. Is equal to 8 times 3. Okay, yeah, 3 times y, that is 3y minus here 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 2, 3 will cancel out 3. It remains x minus x is equal to 8 times 3, which is 24. So this is equation 4. So let me align these two together. So we have equation 4 and 5. 5x minus 2y is equal to 10, and this one 3y minus x is equal to 24. Now if you observe very well, since we are using the elimination method and the letters are not aligned, so I'm going to realign the letters together. Remember, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So I'm going to realign them. So we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 5x minus 2y is equal to 10, and this one now will come to the front, that is minus x plus 3y is equal to 24. So they are now in line together. So the next step here is I'm going to multiply equation, this is equation 3, remember, equation 3, equation 4. So I'm going to multiply equation I will use this number to multiply all of this and use 1 to multiply all of this, which is in front of this to now to eliminate x. So I'll write out this here: 5x minus 2y is equal to 10, and minus x plus 3y is equal to 24. So now this 5, now I'll use it, I'll bring it here. Here is just minus 1, but I'll use 1. I'm still going to get the same answer if I use minus 1. Okay, now 1 times 5x, 1 times 5x, that is 5x. 1 times minus 2y, that is minus 2y, equal to 1 times 10, 10. Here 5 times minus x, that is minus 5x. 5 times plus 5 times 3y, that is plus 15y, is equal to 5 times 24. 5 times 24, that will give me 120. 120. So this is what I've gotten now. So this is so let's say this is equation 5, equation 5 and equation 6, equation 5 and 6. So I will move over to this side. Let me use this line to separate it. I'll move over to this side and write out the equations 5 and 6. 5x minus 2y, 2y is equal to 10, and minus 5x plus 15y is equal to 120. So the next step here is I'm going to add equation, this is equation 5, equation 5 and equation 6, equation 5 and 6. So I'm going to add equation 5 to equation 6. Now 5x plus minus 5x, that is automatically 0. So x has been eliminated. Then minus 2y plus 15y, that will give me 13y. So this one will give me 13y is equal to 10 plus 120, that will give me 130. So I'll write out this down here. 13y is equal to 130. So to get the value of y, we divide both sides by 13. By 13. So 13 will cancel out 13. 130 divided by 13, that will give me 10. So y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10. So now we're going to substitute y equal to 10 in equation 3. Remember, this is equation 3. So I'll write it out here. 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Remember, y now is 10 here. So we have 5x minus 2 open bracket, y is now 10. So 10 close bracket is equal to 10. This 10 here now. So 5x minus 2 times 10, that is 20, 20 is equal to 10. Now 5x is equal to 10. 10 now minus 20 will cross over 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. So 5x is equal to 30. 10 plus 20, 30. Now so 5x is equal to 30. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. 5 will cancel out 5. 30 divided by 5, that is 6. So x is equal to 6. So therefore the values of the two variables are x equal to 6 and y is equal to 10. So these are the two solutions to the number 2 question. And for the number 3, we have the equation 0.5 m plus 0.2 n is equal to 5. And the second side I have 0.6 m plus 0.4 n is equal to 8.4. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now the first step here is to multiply it by a number that will remove this decimal point, and that number is 10. Multiply each of these. Multiply equation 1 by 10 and equation 2 by 10 also. So if we multiply it by 10, we have for the equation 1, we have 10 times 0.5 m plus 10 times 0.2 n is equal to 10 times 5. 10 times 0.5 n, that will give us 5 m. 10 times 0.2, that will give us 2 n. 10 times 5 equal to 50. So this is equation 1 and 2. This is equation 3. And then for this second one, we have 0 point, that is 10 times 0.6 plus 10 times 0.4 0.6 m 0.6 and 0.4 n is equal to 10 times 8.4. So 10 times 0.6 m, that will give us 6 m. 10 times 0.4 n, that will give us 4 n is equal to 10 times 8.4, that will give us 84. So equation 4. So I'll write the two out here. 5m plus 2n, 5m plus 2n is equal to 50, and this one 6m plus 4n is equal to 84. So we are using the elimination method. Remember, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So I'm going to multiply. Let me write them out again. 5m plus 2n is equal to 50. 6m plus 4n is equal to 84. So now I'm going to multiply. Use this 6 here, write your 6 here, and this 5, bring it here. Then 6 times 5m, that is 30 30m plus 6 times 2n, that is 12n, is equal to 6 times 50, that will give me 300. And then the second side, 5 times 6m, that is 30m, plus 5 times 4n, that is 20n, is equal to 5 times 84, that will give us 420. So the next step now is we're going to subtract this one from this. So we'll do 30m minus 30m. This one will give us 0. Then 12n minus 20n. 12n minus 20n, that will give minus 8n is equal to 300 minus 420, that will give us minus 120. So I'll write it out here. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8n equal to minus 120. So now divide both sides by minus 8. So this one will cancel out this. So I have that n is equal to minus 120 divided by minus 8, that is 15. Plus minus will cancel out, minus 120 divided by 8, 15. So n is equal to 15. So now n is equal to 15. Let me create a space here so that I can continue our calculation from there. Okay, from this place, remember n is equal to 15. Now we're going to substitute n in equation 3. Substitute n equal to 15 in equation 3. So this is equation 3 here. 5m plus 2n is equal to 50. Then 5m plus 2, remember n now is equal to 15. So 15 is equal to 50. 5m plus 2 times 15, that is 30. 30 is equal to 50. Then 5m is equal to 50, and then plus 30 will cross over to turn to minus 30. So minus 30. So 5m is equal to 50 minus 30, that will give us 20. Then I'll bring it down here. 5m is equal to 20. Then I'll divide both sides by 5. The number that is standing with the m, so that the n can stand alone, m can stand alone. 5 will cancel out 5. 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Therefore m is equal to 4. So in this equation we have that therefore m is n equal to 15, and m is equal to 4. So these are the two answers to this number 3. So we have come to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, do it to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate the channel again. Bye for now.